Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to enable and use battery saver mode in a Pixel 8 Pro device. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Tap on a battery. Here you can see battery saver. Tap on it. Now toggle on the use battery saver option. Here you can choose standard battery saver or extreme battery saver you want to use on your device. When you use standard battery saver, it will limit visual effects, background activity, automatically turn on dark theme if not enable. When you choose extreme battery saver, it will push all non-essential apps in a device. Tap on a setting gear icon. Here you can see the essential apps or non-essential apps. Essential apps means this app is running on your background compulsory on your device. If you don't want to use app running background, add it to non-essential apps. Here you can choose frequently use, battery use. If you find any app using more battery, add it to essential apps or remove it. Go back. You can also set schedule to automatically turn on battery saver mode on your device. Here you can turn on based on a battery level. Select the battery level to automatically turn on battery saver mode and increase the battery life on your device. You can also toggle or turn off at 90%. Battery saver automatically turn off when your battery reaches to 90% on your device. Also enable disable battery saver reminder if you want on your device about battery is low on your device. So it's quite easy to set schedule to automatically turn on battery saver mode on your device. That's it. If you like it, share it.